Welcome to Zeva's Day. So, we're learning today the alligator method. What's alligator method? Let's learn. Guys, I have some paper cutouts for making alligators and teeth for alligators, and two eyes and some fish to write numbers, and one glue and one sketch to write on the fish. Let's make it. After that, we will learn what's alligator method and writing in the fish. This glue is for sticking. Let's stick. Here I finished one alligator. So, I finished the two alligators. Now I'm going to write numbers. Alligator method is easy way to recognize a greater than and less than method. I'm keeping two fishes. One is 4, one is 3. I'm taking this alligator over here. I'm eating 4. Why? Because 4 is greater than 3. Alligators always eat big fishes. Here I'm keeping 5 and 8. I'm taking this alligator from there and I'm eating 8. Why? Because 5 is lesser than 8. The crocodile always eat